Gozaimasu. Yesterday was completely out of this world. I will explain you. I'm in my kitchen right now and I just turned on the light and I'm realizing that I've been a little bit overworking lately, so the whole house is just a mess. I will do a full cleaning type of video with time-lapse and stuff like this. Let's go! With helmets, where do you usually store them? Keep in mind I cannot put it in the entrance because there's way too much humidity, so where? There's not much space in the closet as well, so do you hang it? What do you do with this? I'm actually thinking of putting the boat in the bedroom right now. What do you think? I'm not supposed to do interior decor, I'm supposed to clean. Let's put the boat in the bedroom. It is way too big. So this took me the entire morning and I haven't done any cleaning, nothing, just getting dressed. So here we go with the start of the crazy day. And actually I was just supposed to have a curry lunch with some friends, and it turned out that we met new people, went to their shop, and also after that I went to my friend's house, which is a new house for them, but it's kind of an old house, so we shall discover that together in a few seconds. So here we are. This is their beautiful new property, which is a rental house. So it's still crowded with many of the stuff from the previous owner. There's a lot of cleaning that needs to take place, but it already looks stunning. I love the layout. It has 2 floors and the view is just stunning. I started the video by saying it was a crazy day, and I didn't lie, because in the end of the day I was able to go through all the kimono left in the house. And it was an amazing experience. I found many beautiful pieces and I got the chance to teach a little bit of what I know to my friends and hopefully make them also passionate about kimono. I don't know if it's silk or polyester, you just go like this for a few seconds, and then if it's no wrinkly, it's silk.
Oh, so that is silk.